Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to paint a body. So we bought a brand new body here. This is my son's old granite body, and you can see it's got some really bad damage there. And he's 5 years old, 6 now. But anyways, that has damage. So we bought a clear body. I've already masked it off. We're going to paint it 2 colors, and we're going to show you the step by step we did. It's going to be gold in the center, and we're going to do white for the rest of the body. So the first step in preparing this, which we already done, is wipe the inside with alcohol. So just make sure there's no oils or anything like that inside. And then if you can see here, we've masked off here. So the whole center is going to be gold, and the outside is going to be white. And we'll show the step by step of how we do this. And then you'll see here, there's the car right there. And then these 2 cars here, the 2 X Maxes that we just got. We're going to be doing some body mods of that to strengthen those bodies, so we'll share that. And then one day we'll share about that. We made our RC rack over there. You can see this is a mess. But anyways, we will get back to this, and we're going to go outside and we're going to paint this body. Alright, so now we're going to spray paint it with this, which is the gold spray paint. It's just one we had at home, and my son wanted gold and white, so that's what we're doing. So it's shaken well. Let's just make sure it's okay, it's good. So we're going to do a couple of light coats first. Okay, we're going to do the second coat now. This first coat, light coat, is dry. Do this coat and probably do 1/3 one, and that'll be it. And you want to do light coat so you don't have any runs in it. I'm gonna do one last coat here. I probably don't need it, but I'm just gonna put it anyways. Okay, that's it. Next step is we're gonna take this masking tape off, and then we're gonna do the white. But I'll give you guys a sneak peek here. Look how cool this is looking. Zoom in on that. It's an awesome bronzy gold color. All right, we'll be back. So here it is now with the masking, with all the tape off, masking tape off. Check out how sharp those lines are. It came out really well. Now I just realized that these cases, it's the Arma body replacement. It actually has a thin film of plastic on the outside, so we're gonna peel it off after, so you don't have to even mask the outside. So that's really good. But now we're going to do white. This is the white paint I have. This is what we had at home. It's probably more than you need. But we're going to now paint it all white, and it'll have the sides white where the center's gold. So we'll start this. And it's hold this in. Mm-hmm. Again, we're doing light coats, and then we'll come back after with a better coat. So that's good enough for now. All right, we're back now for the second coat. Gonna make sure you get all the angles. Is everything covered?
Mm-hmm. Mention the thing.
Oh yeah. So you notice we covered the gold. My son just reminded me. You can cover the gold because it's in layers, right? So now look, when you look it over, you got white and gold. So last step I didn't talk about this is a clear coat. So we're going to add clear coat on here just to protect it. We're going to be putting a liner on here. It's going to be another video to protect it, but might as well just spray this in here so it doesn't scratch the white off. Again, we're going to do light coats. That's probably good enough. So we're back and it's all done now. So remember, this was the original, which is all beat up. And it came out amazing. Like, we're so happy with how it came out. We took the protective coating off. There's a plastic film that was on here that comes with the cover when you buy the blank cover. So we peeled it off, so it's like now it's shiny. It might look matte in the other videos. And we got the stickers on, but like the lines look amazing. It was really easy to do. I thought it was gonna be more difficult. Nothing I would really do differently, but we're loving the color, and hopefully this is gonna last a little bit longer, and we'll see how it goes. But thanks, and hopefully this is gonna help you. And if you guys are looking to buy blank covers and stuff like that, follow this process. We're gonna make another video on how to make these covers last by putting a special liner on the inside with fiberglass and glue, and we're going to do that because we have it on our Italian and a few other cars, and the covers have lasted and this cover has not. All right guys, thanks.